Student project A15 is going to focus on formatting. So we're going to actually format this chart in the corner up here, and then we might apply that format to other aspects. But right now we're going to click on this chart, and basically over in the bucket area you have a ruler brush that's going to show all your formatting features. And we're just going to touch on a few formatting features so you can see how you would format a specific chart. In this case, the first thing I want to look at are the data colors. So if I come down to this little button down where it says data colors, the default color gives me a single color. I can change that color out to some other color if I wish, or I can actually go through and say I want to show all colors, and then it switches it out, and I can actually change each color, each country, a different color. So let's go through and just kind of switch this out and change this to various styles. So we have a little color code that we're going to be using on our charts. And that's basically how it works. Now we can also take a look at some other aspects. So for example, I'll collapse this data color area, and maybe I want this title up here to be a little larger. It's a little dim right now. So I can come down to the title area, and I can look at the format tools that are available. In this case, I might take the font color and turn it to be black, so it's a little bit darker. It looks like it was kind of a grayish color. Maybe I've changed the background color to some slight other color. Let's see what that does. So if we put a little shade on behind it, it gives me a little bit of a darkness of that. Let's try some other color that might look a little better. Maybe something like that. Gives it more of a pronounced look. We can also go through and press the center. Maybe you want to center it in the middle, and we definitely want it to be a little larger. So here's my font size, and you click on that and you can make that a little larger.